Hello everyone, this is Happy from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Voting for first phase of the three-tier Panchayat polls begins in Odisha. More than 50% polling recorded till 11 am. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Higher Education Minister Pradeep Panigrahi engaged in war of words during poll campaigning, accused each other of fraud and corruption. Jharkhand CM Raghubar Das takes jibe at Naveen Patnaik, says the Odisha CM lacks required knowledge in Odia language. BJP alleges rampant irregularities in the voters list in Balesur, says collector, BDOs and Tahsildars inconvenience with ruling BJD have frequently changed the voters list. And former Lok Sabha Speaker Rabi Ray admitted to central ICU in SCB Medical College and Hospital. The leader is reportedly suffering from pneumonia. Now the details. Voting for the first phase of the three-tier Panchayat polls began at 7 am today for 188 Jila Parishad seats. 1,506 Sarpanch and Samiti members posts across Odisha. The voting is also on for 20,369 ward member posts. More than 50% polling was recorded till 11 am. Secretary of the State Election Commission, Rabindranath Sahu, said this on Monday. Talking to newsmen, Sahu mentioned at some places voters have boycotted the rural polls. Villagers did not allow poll officials to reach some polling booths in Anandpur, thereby affecting the Panchayat election process. Further steps will be taken after getting a report from the poll officials. Commenting on the Maoist violence in Balangir, in which 3 tractors and a JCB were torched at Kuliamunda under Khaprakhol block, Sahu said the vehicle torching case has nothing to do with the rural polls. Earlier, the SEC secretary had stated 35 to 40% polling has been recorded till 10 am. While campaigning for their respective party candidates in the Panchayat polls in Odisha, Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Odisha's Higher Education Minister Pradeep Panigrahi on Sunday accused each other of fraud and corruption. Panigrahi accused Pradhan of having the record of being a coal thief before 2000. Pradhan raised question on Odisha minister's alleged involvement in the multi-crore chit fund scam. Earlier in the day, while addressing 3 public meetings in the Puri district, Pradhan raised question on the deposit of Rs 750 crore in Jan Dhan account of poor people in Odisha. Seeking vote for the BJP candidates contesting in 3-tier Panchayat elections, Pradhan alleged that BJD government has been trying to take credit out of the welfare schemes of Modi government. Pradhan alleged that the beneficiaries under the National Food Security Act are being selected on political line. The union minister alleged that while rich people close to BJD MLAs get subsidized food grain, the real poor are denied rice and wheat.
सीए कहते चिटफंड कथा अरे तुम बैकग्राउंड देख ए 1997 98 19 2000 तुम बैकग्राउंड देखिले तुम आईन देखिले तुम पिक्चर दुषिब कोईला चोर थे बोले रिपोर्ट होती से वाजपेयी गवर्नमेंट रे मोर मन अच्छी से कोईला चोर एलिगेशन थिला सी कुआडे सला सुतरा करथिले सेतेबेले बापा थिले मंत्री देवेंद्र प्रधान केंद्र मंत्री थिले सेटिंग कले
बिल्कुल से तदंत करके मते जेल पठे दियंतु सी आग प्रमाण मु राजी मु इनक्वारी रे पक्षभुक्त हवा पई राजी तांका हाथ रे डीजी अछि तांका हाथ रे गृह विभाग अछि कोनोसी भी इनक्वारी करबा पई धर्मेंद्र प्रधान राजी अछि किंतु प्रदीप पाणिग्राही उत्तर दियंतु सीए चिट फंड केस रे संपृक्त नुहंती बोली मूल विषय सहीटा चोर करके मुहटान ये चलिबो नाही.
Jharkhand Chief Minister Raghubar Das on Sunday accused his Odisha counterpart and Biju Janata Dal Supremo Naveen Patnaik of lacking required knowledge in Odia language and its culture. After addressing a public meeting at Udala in Mayurbhanj district, Das questioned that how can Odisha progress when its chief minister doesn't have knowledge in its local language and the state's culture. The Jharkhand chief minister was in Mayurbhanj district to address 2 public meetings to garner support for BJP candidates in 3-tier Odisha Panchayat elections. In both the meetings, Das highlighted at the progress made by the BJP-ruled states. Launching an attack on Patnaik, the Jharkhand Chief Minister said the tribals, Dalits, women and backward class people have all along been supporting BJD, for which it won 4 times in a row. However, the Patnaik government has done nothing for these sections. Appealing the people to save the state and take it on the path of development, Das said the BJP need to come to power in Odisha.
आज उड़ीसा में ग्राम में सड़क नहीं, गांव में बिजली नहीं, गांव में शुद्ध पेयजल पीने का पानी नहीं, गांव में स्कूल नहीं, स्कूल है तो टीचर नहीं, हॉस्पिटल है तो डॉक्टर नहीं, नर्स नहीं। जिस राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री को अपनी संस्कृति का ज्ञान न हो, जिस मुख्यमंत्री को अपनी भाषा की जानकारी नहीं हो, वो राज्य कैसे विकसित हो सकता है। और इसीलिए हमने आज उड़ीसा की जनता को आह्वान किया कि जब हम घर बनाते हैं तो हम इमारत जो बुनियाद है उसको मजबूत करते हैं।
The state BJP on Sunday alleged that there have been rampant irregularities in the voters list in Odisha by the government machinery. Talking to the media persons, BJP state vice president Sameer Mahanti claimed that he has come to know about such irregularities during his recent tour to Baleswar district. He alleged that senior district officials like the collector, BDOs and tehsildars in convenience with the ruling party have been frequently changing the voters list. Citing instances, he said the collector and the BDO have changed the voter list at Olandasara village by adding 421 additional voters after November 25 last year. Asked about the allegations by the BJP in this matter, SEC Secretary Rabindranath Sahu said the commission has taken note of the allegations and it will ask the Baleswar collector to submit a report on the matter, after which it will take appropriate action on the basis of the report.
बालेश्वर जिला मु लगातार भाव में यही 3 दिन गस्त करी आज मु फेरी बीडीओ कलेक्टर तहसीलदार माने शासक दलर हाथ बारिश साजी बारंबार भोटर लिस्ट परिवर्तन करुछंती। निर्वाचन आयोग ऑर्डर को न मानी तल स्तर रे बीडीओ माने इंदिरा प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजनार वार्क ऑर्डर विभिन्न अंचल रे बालेश्वर जिले में दिया जाउछि।
तृतीय महलार इशारा तार मध्य तथ्य तांका पाखे रहितवा दरकार। केवल एही भली भाबरे काल्पनिक कथारे सबु समय तृतीय महला को आंगुठी देखले ता लोकंकर विश्वास भाजन हबो नै। जो प्रशासनिक स्तर रे एभली भूल हेतिबो से भूल संक्रांत रे निर्दिष्ट भाव कार्यानुष्ठान हबो निर्वाचन कमिशनर निष्पत्ति अनुसार।
Former Lok Sabha Speaker Rabi Ray was admitted to the Central ICU in SCB Medical College and Hospital here on Sunday. Sources in the hospital said the octogenarian leader is suffering from pneumonia. Ray was admitted in a private hospital in Bhubaneswar some days back, but after he was diagnosed with pneumonia, he was shifted to SCB Medical College and Hospital this morning and put in the outpatient department of the medicine department. But as he had difficulty in breathing, he was later shifted to the Central ICU. Ray is currently undergoing treatment by special team of doctors. Before wrapping up, the news headlines once again. Voting for first phase of the 3-tier Panchayat polls begins in Odisha. More than 50% polling recorded till 11 am. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Higher Education Minister Pradeep Panigrahi engaged in war of words during poll campaigning, accused each other of fraud and corruption. Jharkhand CM Raghubar Das takes jibe at Naveen Patnaik, says the Odisha CM lacks required knowledge in Odia language. BJP alleges rampant irregularities in the voters list in Baleswar, says collector, BDOs and tehsildars in convenience with ruling BJD have frequently changed the voters list. And former Lok Sabha Speaker Rabi Ray admitted to Central ICU in SCB Medical College and Hospital. The leader is reportedly suffering from pneumonia. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.